Getting money into your account is always the final step you look forward to. If you're working with a platform that uses Lemonway, the big question is, just how fast will you see those funds? The short answer is, it depends on the payment method and a few other key factors. For standard bank transfers, Lemonway's goal is to credit your account as quickly as possible once they receive the money. Typically, funds from a wire transfer are received and then recorded on your Lemonway account no later than the end of the next business day. Keep in mind, the initial transfer from the sending bank itself can take 1 to 3 business days, depending on their speed. So, the whole process often falls into that 2 to 5 business day window. Now, if you're using a credit or debit card to fund your account, those transactions are often registered much faster, sometimes within minutes. But here's where you can influence the speed. First, weekends and holidays slow things down. Lemonway primarily processes transactions on business days, which means any transfer initiated late on a Friday or right before a public holiday will have a delay. Second, verification and compliance are critical. If there are any issues with your Know Your Customer or anti-money laundering documents, maybe a piece of ID is unverified or information is missing, Lemonway will hold the funds until those checks are complete. A smoothly verified account is a fast credited account. Finally, some platforms that use Lemonway may offer a faster payout option. If you're a merchant or seller, this service is designed to cut down those multi-day transfer times to just a few hours or even seconds, depending on whether both your bank and the platform are part of an instant payment network. So, while the final credit happens quickly once Lemonway receives the funds, always check the initial transfer time for your specific payment method and make sure all your account verification is complete. That way, you'll see your money hit your wallet without unnecessary delays.